Today's lesson is going to introduce some basic Russian greetings and goodbyes. So, put your language learning hats on, sit up straight, and let us begin. The first word is Здравствуйте. Please don't pronunciate the first V. Just Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. We use this word when we speak with people who are older or who have higher status than we do or cannot be informal with. This word is used when starting a presentation, meeting or having meeting. Здравствуйте is official greeting and is common for more situations in our daily life. So, the origin of this word is very interesting. Здравствуйте has the root zdrav, which is similar to such word as здоровье. Здоровье in English means health. At a deeper level, when we are greeting someone with this word, we are wishing for the person to be healthy and to live a long life. So, next word is привет. Привет. This word is common greeting used between friends or family members. It is informal way to introduce yourself, and it is not greeting you use with your boss. The word привет consists of two parts, при and вет. The same first part has such word as приласкать. This is Russian verb, in English means caress. The second part, вет, have such words as advice, news, answer. Speaking привет, привет, we're able to be closer to person. We show our trust and we wish communicate. We wish to get information. We wish to give information. The next greetings are variations of greeting that are influenced by the time of day. Meaning depending on whether it is nighttime or daytime will determine which of these greetings we use. So, all these greetings have the same first word. This word is добрый. Добрый is adjective. And noun добро. Добро means in English goodness. That is why when we say to somebody добрый день, we wish for a person to have a positive, nice day. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Good evening. I have forgotten, sorry. Good night. Доброй ночи. And lastly, the phrase спокойной ночи. I would like to attract your attention. Even though all three of these greetings have the same first word, добрый, the same, this word has different endings. different endings. I will explain it in the next lessons when you are ready for more grammar. But for now, just remember which ending to use with which word. And I would like to clarify the next point. If you wish to say to somebody the phrase good night, it is not considered greeting, it is a wish. In Russian, we use the phrase спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. It is wish. Доброй ночи. It is more about greeting. Okay? Now that we learned how to say hello in Russian, let's learn how to say goodbye. Russian phrase for this is до свидания. До свидания. До свидания. The letter A is stress. O is unstress. That is why it sounds as A. До свидания. But we write O. Once again, до свидания. This phrase is commonly for majority situation in our daily life. We use this phrase when leaving restaurants, shops, or other public places. The second word for goodbye is used to signify that you are leaving something or someone forever. This word is прощай. Прощай. If you have a friend or a partner and you wish to end the relationships, saying the word прощай to this person will really send the message that you are finished with them. One more word is пока. Пока is used with friends or people you are close with. This is informal and should not be used in professional settings. And the last phrase for today, до скорого. See you soon. До скорого. Finally, I would like to summarize today's lesson. We learned the following. Russian greetings. Привет. Non-official. Hey. Здравствуйте. Official. Hello. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Доброй ночи. Good night. Goodbyes. До свидания. Goodbye, official. Прощай, goodbye forever. Пока, bye, non-official. See you soon, до скорого. And if you wish to say the phrase good night, meaning sleep well, use the phrase спокойной ночи. So, my wonderful and smart students, we survived the second lesson. Give yourself a pat on the back. You have done a great job